Alright, harmonic balance is back on and pretty tight. Next is that middle cover, so it's just 3 Allen head bolts to hold it in place. Okay, so now that middle cover's on, I think I might deal with these coolant hoses if I have the right size hose line around, and the water neck down here, wherever it is. Alright, so in my collection I managed to find a couple of packets of hose clamps and some 5/16, I think it's fuel line, but whatever, it's got to be better than whatever's on here. This is like really squishy and feels really thin, so I don't think I have the right stuff for this one. It definitely needs to be replaced though, but I do have for this one, so I'll get rid of it and I'll just put some new clamps on this one if these ones fit, and put that on the to-do list. Thankfully it's in a relatively easy to access spot. Alright, so these hose clamps are just the tiniest bit too small, so I found one bigger one, but it looks like junk and I'm gonna not use it. I'll just go buy some more tomorrow. And for this bottom hose, I just managed to find what might be the perfect fit. This is all I have of this, so it'll be pretty funny if it does fit perfectly. It looks like it should, but we'll see. Worst comes to worst, I'll just go buy some more tomorrow, and I'll buy some more hose clamps tomorrow as well, because these ones suck. Alright, so this hose is just a tiny bit too big, so I mean I could use it, but better off just getting the right one. So I'll go to the shops tomorrow, buy 4 new hose clamps and some new, whatever this size is, 10mm heater hose, and chuck it all on tomorrow. Alright, so this is pretty much all I can do for the bottom half of the engine at the moment. So still gonna get these hoses and clamps tomorrow, so that'll be all sorted out. I put that spiral style hose clamp, I don't think you can see anything down there, spiral style hose clamp on the engine side of the bottom radiator hose. I couldn't get the other clamp off, so I just moved it out of the way. I got the cabling, the wiring harness out of the fan down there, so the fan now spins freely, if I can spin it. There we go, so it's all nice and free. The wiring had just popped out of this little connector here into the body of this, but it seems to be fairly solid in there now, so hopefully that stays there. Harmonic balance is on. I can't put the serpentine belt on until I get the alternator back, and I can't put any of this airbox in until I get the alternator back as well. So yeah, pretty much this is all done for now. I could clean some intake pipes, but like I said, not really fussed at the moment, so I'll probably just get onto all of these clips. Alright, so here's our bag of clips. They're all down there. So pretty much the way these work is I'll take the plastic body of the clip, this bit, off of the old ones, and then reinsert the pins with their grommets through these holes until they're all the way forward, and then you push this white clip that way and it locks the pins into place in this plastic body, and then this clip should work as usual. So you push on that, it should lift. These ones are really stiff, I assume that's for a good reason. And yeah, and then the engine works better than zip tie mania holding it all together. So I'll start on this first one because clearly it's the worst, and I'll see how bad I am at it. I might end up having to call a friend because this is pretty important and these are hard to get and expensive, so let's give it a go. Okay, so you can pretty clearly see there's nothing left in here to hold this in place. So if we just stay there, camera, grab onto this, just gently pull, and there we go. So now these will go into the new pins, and see if I can save that grommet just there, that red thing or brown thing, too colorblind to tell. And yeah, should be straightforward. Okay, so I just pushed the first one in. So you just got to make sure that the pin is aligned correctly. So there's 2 little tabs. In this case, they face that way, and that you get the correct wire in the correct hole. So I already checked it on the first one, so I can't mess this up. Again, let's see if we can hold the camera. All right, here we go. So grab this, line it up in its hole. Let's go straight in. Wait for the traffic to quieten down so you can actually hear it engage. All right, here we go. And now I can't do it. Oh, here we go. there it is. So that's them now locked into place. Or sorry, clicked into place. And now we're going to lock them into place with this. So we push down like that and bam, fresh connector. Just that simple. So now let's see if it does the trick. I've got it upside down already. Good job. Okay, here we go. Ah, look at that. Beautiful. Now it's not going anywhere. Brand new, ready to race. Alright, let's do the other 5. Alright, there we go. 6 new coil plugs in place. You can't see the last one, but it's under there. So they're all brand new and will hopefully last for another 200,000 kilometers. Now that that's all buttoned up. Alright, so our alternator ended up being pretty trash. So today we've slammed this Suzuki Sierra